Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Emerson PAC Machine Edition 10.5. We often call this software PME. Just to be clear, this is PLC program software, not SCADA software. Its purpose just to configure the program on the service PAC system controller. Let's get started. First, we show you how to download this software. Okay, you go to Google, you're typing PAC Machine Edition download. Go down. You can find here. Here is download. You can find here 10.5 machine. Okay, you can download from here. That's it. Then we start how to install this software. We download is 10.6. Okay, it's similar. Here's 10.6. So we install Machine Edition. Just install Prerequisites is a computer is a requirement software. Okay. Next, we choose accessible. We can choose all this, okay, including everything. This one just Java 2 is developing. So simple. Okay, next. So we can start this program. New one. New empty project. Okay. We use PLC test. Okay. Now in here you can see add the target. We should add the controller. We choose PAC system RXI. Okay. Here is all the software, the controller. Here is the hardware configured. In here, we can add controller. In here, go to right. Is isolator. In here, we can add isolate with IP address. Okay. Is the Profinet controller. Okay. Now we go to logic. Is the program block. In here is the main program. In here, okay. We place this instruction. Okay. In here. Also, we can use add a new one is light block. Okay. Here's net block. Okay. That's it. we can add new one. Please. Everything, okay? That's it. Right? We talk about how to use this program or software, okay? In here below is this one is the try period. It's 4 days. If you use this software in virtual machine, you can use many time, okay? Not 4 days. If you don't know how to do this one, you can check my old video, okay? Thank you very much.